Hello everyone and welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 50 euro cents coin from France. Dated 1999. On the obverse side, this coin features La Semeuse, or the Sower, an iconic symbol of France representing hope, progress, and the future. You'll also see the letters RF, standing for République Française, along with the year 1999. The reverse side shows the common European Union design, displaying the value 50 euro cent and a map of Europe, symbolizing unity among EU member countries. This 1999 France 50 euro cents coin is struck in Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. While most of these coins are common in circulation, uncirculated coins and minting errors can be worth more to collectors. Always check your coins for misprints, weak strikes, or off-center designs, as these errors can increase their value. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.